Are you looking for the best Chinese drones for kids? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese drones for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. LS V66 Mini Drone. Intelligent obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning. Camera can be remotely controlled and electrically adjusted 180 degrees, light control. Fixed height function, 360 degrees roll, foldable aircraft, 6-channel with gyroscope. 1-key calibration, 1-key takeoff, 1-key landing, ascending and descending. Forward and backward, left and right side flying, steering, headless mode. Body light/headlight, with camera, additional functions, gesture photography. Video recording, headless mode, emergency stop, trajectory flight, gravity sensing, music, 50x zoom, automatic photography. Number 2. New S2S Mini Drone. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 6K high-definition Wi-Fi, the bottom high-definition lens with optical flow can switch the camera angle, the servo pan tilt is designed to increase stability, and the EIS electronic anti-shake is added to make the photo line clearer. The height fixing function has the height keeping mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function has stable flight. Ultra-long endurance 3.7V 2000 mAh Li-ion battery, which can last about 25 minutes. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app. App mobile phone control, 1-button return, headless mode, ascending and descending, forward and backward, left and right side flight. Hand gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, ultra-long endurance, obstacle avoidance head assembly, which can stop when encountering obstacles without colliding with them. Brushless motor provides more powerful power and longer service life. Number 3. XIAOMI RC Drone. Every moment in the sky becomes more meaningful when a camera drone transforms simple movement into something that feels alive. The XIAOMI RC Drone 8K high-definition aerial photography remote control aircraft creates that feeling the moment it rises above you. Its dual camera setup captures scenes with clarity that makes ordinary surroundings look cinematic, turning natural light, city spaces and quiet landscapes into memories that feel deeper and more personal. Many people dream of flying a drone that responds smoothly, holds its direction with confidence and gives a sense of safety during long flights. This aircraft delivers that reassurance through steady control and precise tracking. The added guidance from the 3-sided obstacle avoidance system brings calmness to anyone who wants to explore the sky without fear. It becomes easier to fly in tighter spaces and it gives new users the trust they need to enjoy every second. The wireless global positioning system connection strengthens the feeling of freedom because the aircraft stays aware of its position even when the environment shifts. Long sessions feel more meaningful when the drone follows a clear path without drifting. Each movement feels intentional, allowing the user to focus on capturing the scene rather than worrying about stability. People who use this drone often find their surroundings becoming more interesting. Sunrise views, water reflections, busy roads or quiet fields all turn into creative opportunities. The XIAOMI RC Drone 8K high-definition model makes every flight feel like a chance to see something new, and that emotional spark often convinces customers to take the step toward owning it.